Hello everybody, Scott Teague with you, Mega Blast PVC train horns. We got our new paint design done. This is one of our first ones. We call it the Reptile. As you see here, it's got two eyes on the number one bell. And the design on it. Very happy how this came out. It's a K5LA. This is one of many that we're trying to design, new designs on the horns instead of the standard colors. This one turned out pretty good. We got some more designs coming up. Just bear with us, but this is our first one. Like I said, we call it the Reptile. It's K5LA, and I'm going to set this back. We're going to give this thing a blow. Hope it don't muffle it out. Right here. All right. K5LA. Sounds pretty good to me. And that was tuned to the early 90s K5LA. So there again, there's the Reptile horn. Like I said, two eyes on the first bell. Right there. Alright, many different paint designs coming up, so bear with us. And this is our first one. It'll be on eBay. If you are interested, check it out. And until next time, Scott Teague, Mega Blast PVC train horns out.